Welcome to our vocabulary lesson designed to simplify English learning. Today, we're focusing on a conjunction that's often used in writing and formal speech. Albeit. Albeit means although. It's used to introduce a contrasting or limiting statement to what has just been said. Let's delve into albeit with some straightforward examples. In decision-making, she accepted the job, albeit with some hesitation. This means she took the job but had reservations or doubts about it. Describing experiences, the trip was enjoyable, albeit tiring. Here, albeit introduces a contrast to the enjoyment, indicating the trip was also exhausting. Regarding results, the results were positive, albeit not conclusive. This suggests that while the results were good, they did not definitively resolve the issue or question. In agreements, he agreed to come, albeit reluctantly. This indicates he consented to come but did so without enthusiasm or willingness. Understanding albeit helps us express nuances and contrasts in our statements, enriching our communication. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our mission of making learning accessible to everyone. Thank you for watching, and let's keep expanding our vocabulary together.